Hello YouTube, this is the Efficient Trader and we'll be looking at what Nifty 50 or the stock market could do on the 14th of July 2022. So let's first see what it did yesterday and yeah, if you remember, I had made, I don't know if anyone's seen that video yet or not, but I had made a video on 12th of July saying that if these levels are in any case broken here or here, that they were broken. If they are broken, there is nothing that's going to stop the market from coming to 16,000, and I have said this clearly in my video, so if you want, you can go see that. And one more thing that I would like to tell is I've even made a YouTube short regarding to this, that whenever there is a level breakdown, you do not want to enter here, right? So this was not where you enter, never, because it's possible that this is a false breakout and the market literally turns up and your stop loss here is hit. So what you basically need to do is, whenever there is a level breakdown or even a break up, for instance, let's say this is level breakdown, this is level break up, what you do is you wait for a retest. You wait, you see some kind of a price action forming here, some kind of a bearish candle forming here, and then when this starts coming down, you take your trade here. Same case if it's a breakout, you don't trade in here, no, never. You wait for it to come down again, you wait for it to make some kind of a price action here, some kind of a hammer should be formed here, or some kind of a inside candle should be formed, and that's when you take a trade. Okay, now some people might say that what if I wait and the market does not come back for a retest, in fact it just keeps on falling down. My simple answer to that would be, you forget that trade and you move on. I mean, let's say there are in total 100 breakouts or breakdowns, out of which 90 of them will come back for a retest. Okay, they will come back for a retest, and only 10 will not follow this and will fall down. Now, what do you want to focus on? Do you want to focus on these or do you want to focus on these? Because if you focus on these, there is a high chance that you make a profit, and if you focus on these, there is a high chance that your stop loss is hit more times than what you make profit, which is what we don't want. And don't be afraid that what if it comes down from here to here, nothing's gonna happen. You're not going to have your demat account closed. Don't worry about that, it's fine, we'll get a trade next time. So yeah, this is one thing that I wanted to clear. And what happened to today? It gave a breakout. It was a beautiful rectangle that was forming exactly at our levels here. So this was a breakout. If not this, you could treat this as a breakout. And if you see here, it again came back for retesting. It did. I mean, see, where was our level? Our level was here. Yeah, this was our level, exactly our level here. Let me just draw something. Come on. Yeah, this was our level right here. No, this is not our level right here. Yeah, this is our level right here. And see what happened. It broke this, it came back up and then fell. And it's okay if you even took your trade here, because you could say that this was a retesting for this, and you would have kept your stop loss somewhere around here, above this, somewhere here, and you could have had a successful trade. And another example of it is this right here. I even posted a video exactly while the market was doing this. This pattern is the market comes down, it forms something like this, a parallel channel, and then it breaks down. The chances of it breaking down are more, the chances of it breaking up are less. But when the market's going up and it forms something like this, then the chances of it going up are more and doing this are less. So you need to go where the trend is. If downfall, you short. If the market is up bullish, you buy. Okay, simple. Now what can happen tomorrow. For that, first of all, we'll have to see what this. Oh, this is weird. Okay, again, these levels were not drawn today. These levels were drawn yesterday when the US stock market was here somewhere. I had drawn these levels, I still remember. And yeah, what we see here is that, okay, this just by looking at it, I can say that this is a market in which you do not want to trade. Like, no trade, seriously, please don't trade. Okay, NOTRAD. Why am I writing? Why am I even writing? I don't know if you can understand, but no trading should be done in this kind of a market. But because you're not going to make any profit, you're not going to make any money. But if in case, let's say, it gives a breakout from here, yes, you can take a trade. If it gives a breakout from here, yes, you can make a trade. But in this kind of a market, there is no trade ever. Okay, so yeah, what was I even saying? What is it doing? This is nothing. This is just the market going sideways and confusing everybody out. So you wouldn't want to trade if anything like this is seen tomorrow in our stock exchange. This is showing complete. Whoa, this is a kind of a doji. Not a doji, I wouldn't say this is a doji, but yeah, kind of. Let's see what has happened in the 5 minutes chart. Oh my god, something happened at 6 p.m. This was bad. This is pretty bad. So again, if you see this, the chances of our market going in a downtrend, I mean opening gap down, are higher because it's trading red in the Singapore futures exchange. And again, I can see a valid point here. This is a box that can be made, and any closing under this, I mean, I wouldn't dare to say that any closing above this would give you something, because the resistance is literally here. So any closing below this will be a drastic fall till these levels for sure. So the chances of Nifty 50 opening gap down are higher. I wouldn't say for sure anything, but higher for sure. I mean, the chances of opening gap down are higher for sure. The next levels that can be drawn are this and this. They are drawn because of a reason. I'm not just drawing anything anywhere. So if you want, you can take a screenshot of these levels. In fact, I wouldn't recommend you taking a screenshot. You go out there on the chart and make these levels yourself and see what happens tomorrow, because I mean, be self-sufficient and self-capable of doing things on your own, because that's when you'll get the hang of what is happening. So let's say the market opens anywhere here. There is no point of taking a upside option call, because it's no, and there is not even a point of taking a downside, because from here to here, it's literally nothing, right? But if you see anything happening here, then you could take like a rectangle is formed here, and either this side or this side you get a break, so you can at least be sure that the market will come down, I mean come up till here, or it will literally go down till here, because it's gonna break two things. One is this horizontal line, and the another is this trend line that I've drawn. Okay, so that's it regarding Nifty 50. Let's see what Bank Nifty is done and will be doing. Okay, so if you see in the daily time frame, and again, this might look weird and messy, but it's not, and these levels are not drawn right now. These levels were drawn long back, about 7th or something like that, I suppose. I don't remember when I drawn these, but if you see on a daily time frame, that Bank Nifty has made an inside candle and given a break down. I mean, given the level of the inside candle has been broken brutally, and when I say brutally, I mean brutally. Again, let's go back to the 5 minutes, and I would like to show you some beautiful thing. What happened here? Today the market opened, right? and it completely traded in a rectangle, a total rectangle, this here, and gave a break down again at this candle. Now some of you would be like, but you don't trade directly when it falls. But my friends, this was the first fall, and this was the retesting or the reconfirmation of the fall. So taking a trade here wouldn't be much of a problem. So you took your trades here, and the target was easily this right here. Okay, but as we know that this was marked yellow because it was marked as a maybe level in the previous video that I had drawn, which it turned out was important, and the market did consolidate here. But once again this was broken, there was nothing that could stop the market from falling exactly to the horizontal level which I had drawn long back. And when I say long back, I guess this was drawn, I don't know, either yesterday or the day before that or day before that, but whenever it was made, you can clearly see that the market, either it's bank nifty, either it's any stock, it is respecting this. Okay, so now about tomorrow, let's get into the daily time frame for a better view. As you can see that this was a very big red bearish candle after an inside candle, so you could easily say that the market's going down, but as usual the market does not just fall. Okay, the market might go up again and retest this level and fall back, or it might go up, it can do anything, no one knows. Okay, so let's say that it opens gap, come on, it opens gap down, and this is again another crucial level, not a crucial level on the chart, but a crucial level mentally, as it's a psychological level, 34,600 and 34,500. So you need to take a look at that, you need to keep your eyes open, you need to be focused while trading. So if you see any formation of a box somewhere here and it gives you a breakout, you can go for a buy side. And I'm not talking just about nifty, bank nifty, you can even go for a trade in any stocks. And let's just say that you want to trade in a stock somewhere. So what do you do? I mean, how do you find, like, everyone is not into options and futures, right? So you search this, go to the official website, and here you find out what's happening sector wise. Okay, like bank sector, auto sector, you find what is down and what is up. You wouldn't ever want, I mean, you wouldn't ever want to go in here anywhere. Just stick to nifty 50 for now, or nifty bank. I mean, you can stick to any one of this, but I would still tell you nifty 50, nifty next 50, or nifty 100, because these are the stocks in which there is movement at least. Okay, so let's take an example of today. Even I have no idea percent change. Let's say you found this JW steel. You will not want to trade in when it's this much high. Okay, 2% is a lot, 2% is literally a lot. Let's see what happened in JSW steel today. Yeah, is this today? Yeah, this is today. This is 5 minutes. Okay, this was a beautiful rise. So let's say where is 2%, where is 13th? First of all, this is 13th, right? So 2%, 2%, 2%, I don't know, 2% is somewhere here. Yeah, okay, let's say you saw on this that it is risen 2%, not 2.29, 2%. What you don't want is, you don't want to enter here. That will be purely stupid. Okay, because I mean, who will enter here? This is the resistance, this is, you will not want to enter here. Okay, no ways do you want to enter in this position. What you do is you wait for it to retest, you make a line, you make supports, you make okay, where could the next line be, where could the next support be? This, I mean, what else do you want? It is so beautiful, it is the most easiest thing to do if you know what you're doing. And this support was not even here I could say, yeah, here once, second time, third time, given a breakout, went up, came back for a retest, and then you have a guarantee that if you get in a trade over here, your stop loss would be literally here and your targets would be this. You do not expect it to go more than this. No, you exit here. And why I'm saying you exit here is, let me see how much is this. 1.16% in intraday. Dude, it's a lot. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot. You don't need anything else. If you're getting 1% in intraday, you're lucky, you're rich. Just close the trading and go have fun for the remaining day. So I just showed you what you need to do, how you need to find trades, how you need to from here. But you will never want to, like, what even is this? Oh yeah, never mind. You wouldn't want to sell anything this, right? I mean, no, it's already fallen so much. But if you find a retesting, if you find it taking resistance at a certain level, then yes, you will get a trade and you will make money. And with that said, as always, trade responsibly, trade efficiently. Thank you for watching.